Hi, I'm Yannick from Cheetah Osteopathy, and today we're going to look at the third movement after the wall squat and the plank, which are going to be using obviously these blocks to measure how we can successfully do it week after week. So the movement is going to be a forward fold, and this is commonly seen in yoga and very common to stretch the hamstrings, lower back, calves. So we're going to go through it now. So essentially, if you've got a mat or any type of this surface like this, you're going to basically be alongside the mat, and from there with feet hip width apart, you're going to start tucking your chin, rounding your shoulders, keeping your legs locked down and straight, and then you're just going to let the arms fall down towards the toes. Now, we have these two blocks. If you need to, place your hands on the blocks, and then from there, keep tucking the chin, keep rounding the back, and you'll feel a nice stretch, calf, hamstring, lower back, possibly shoulders as well. And then obviously week after week, after you've held a minute in this position, you can start advancing it to bringing the hands down lower, to obviously a lower surface, and then eventually bring your hands down completely to pretty much your toes. And week after week you can see the improvement.